to the channel, everyone. We are downtown Houston. About to make some noise. Comment section, what type of POVs do you guys like, the daytime or the nighttime? Dude, this car is loud downtown, man. The rev mash downshifting. Oh, I'm in the bus lane. Hold up, let me not get in the bus lane. Holy cow. That stuff always throws me off out here. Oh, I think they have the monorail coming or something. Isn't that what that sign is? I don't know. I've seen it come down a couple times, but I might need to be turning right here, honestly. I might have to turn right. I don't want to get caught behind the monorail. That would be chizocked. So let's go ahead and turn right here, because I do not want to get caught behind that. Oh, of course. Of course. Let's do that again. Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing sounds insane. Guy saying go around me? What the hell is going on? Woo! That's why I love coming downtown, just to drive the car and cruise. You don't have to go crazy. You could just cruise it and have some fun. Now obviously when we get the 2-valve back with the new clutch, so it's not constantly rattling, I can go out and make a video like this with that car, because I know is this person tripping? Like, you do understand that the light's fucking red and you could have easily just went around just for you to not go anywhere. See, people in Houston are tripping, bro. I don't get it. Like, where are you in such a rush to go to at 1 a.m. Like, for real, I've never understood shit like that. I'm not gonna turn that way. I mean, man, just telling y'all, man, y'all gotta be careful out here. And Houston is, people are on, I'm not in the right lane, but excuse me, but people out here are just, they're tripping for real. For real tripping. Yeah, Houston's finest back there. Whew. Whatever's going on over there. We just hit rush hour. Damn. Y'all see this right here? It hasn't rained in a couple days. I don't know why there's a rain puddle right there. That make no sense. Woo! I be talking about these roads out here, they be chalked. Oh yeah, you know I had to do that. Oh shit. Yes sir. Okay, I'm thinking I had to stop at every light. They're giving me the green lights. Hell yeah. Ooh. I'm gonna turn here actually. Whew. I might have to go ahead and U-turn that to get a little pic for the gram, no cat, because that kind of overpass was dope. But here's like, I think this is the monorail track right here, something that I'm seeing. I'm pretty sure this is what this is right here. So let's go ahead and tread very, very softly. That's kind of why you see me like turning, you know, at an angle at these intersections and shit like that. Obviously it's 1 o'clock, ain't really nobody behind me. I don't drive that like that normally, but because there's like a lot of whatever going on right now. Construction and whatnot. Have to be conscientious of what's going on. About to make a turn here. Here we go. Y'all can probably tell this is my first time coming downtown because I'm out here in the wrong damn lanes. The turn and whatnot. Oh, this is gonna be perfect too. I'll probably be able to get out and get a quick shot on Fannin. Actually, shit, it's not even that. It's not even that. You know what? I'm not gonna get a shot here. Not here. It's not as good as I thought it was. I'll probably have to wrap it around this way instead. One way. We can go here. Bet. Y'all can tell I'm rookie downtown because I don't really know where I'm going, for real. But I could probably loop it here. Oh, it's probably a good spot over here because there's a lot more light. Ooh, we might have found the spot, fellas. We might have found the spot, fellas. Hold up. Is this Houston's Finest behind me? Dude. Oh my God. You can lose the brights. Yo. Dude. Whoo. That's OD. brother, man, you can lose the brights. Dude, that truck, oh my God, that's literally like that one meme you see like on Instagram and TikTok about the trucks with the crazy like bright lights that blind you. This guy like needs to, you know, brother, just go around me. I'm about to throw the hazards on, no cap. Bro, can you please get, don't follow me, bro, just turn away, because your truck, bro, this dude is just following me right now. What is going on? Whew. I probably sound like I'm bitching, but y'all, that truck, those lights is OD. Alright, he turned out, thank God. I can finally see again. I need to find a nice little spot. Here goes the crazy ass angles right here. Downtown is really fun. I like it. I really do like it. Let me know if y'all enjoy these like downtown POVs. Whew. Potholes, man. That's the one thing about downtown Houston. You just gotta be, you know, avoiding the potholes at all costs. That's like half the battle, for real. It's just avoiding potholes. I should take it in front of the Harris County Criminal Justice Center. That'd be hilarious. I really should take the photo right there. That shit crazy. I'm tripping for that. Right up here too. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the recording off because there's actually quite a few cops up here. So I don't know how they feel about, you know, driving around with the GoPro on the head. Obviously I'm hands-free, but just want to be safe.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I think I have an idea where I'm gonna go. People are getting turned back there. These bars really do be lit, like at odd hours of the morning. I'm telling you this right now. Like, it's not even a weekend and people are lit right now, which is crazy. But it is Texas. So it is what they probably just trying to get it all out because this weekend is supposed to be rainy again. We had like a nice stretch of just, you know, warm, but not like crazy warm weather, like 65, 70 and stuff like that. And shit, it's about to go down, I think, again to like the 50s and raining, which nobody wants to be dealing with that type of shit. Literally nobody wants to be dealing with that type of shit. But I'm gonna just go down this road here. I was down the other road over there last time I was downtown Houston, where I parked up, got a nice little shot. I think I definitely was down there. I'm gonna have to get this screenshot quick. I said screenshot, oh my God, I'm about to get this pic quick. a lot of cars behind me. Somebody's making some noise down there as well. Alright. Ooh, got some 392s right there. Let's go ahead and get this screening right quick, y'all. Damn! They going crazy. They going, damn! They going crazy. All right, let's get the fuck out of here. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the joyride downtown. I'm about to head home now. It is really early in the morning. But fuck it. Like I said, let me know down in the comment section if you guys enjoyed the night POV and if this is the style of content you want to see more of. Always a nice vibe just going ahead and cruising at night in the 350. So if you guys enjoy, make sure y'all drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.